Okay, in this short video, we're going to show how to go from moles of an element to the number of atoms, or moles of a compound to the number of compounds. So the first one you can see we have, again, 3.460 moles of silver. So the question is, how many atoms of silver do we have? So let's see, we're starting with 3.460 moles of silver, and we're ending with number of silver atoms. Okay, the key thing here is to remember the relationship between the mole and a number. Whenever you see a how many type problem, you know you're going to be using Avogadro's number. Remember, Avogadro's number equals 1 mole of anything. In this case, it'll be 1 mole of silver. And there are 6.02 times 10 to the 23 silvers in 1 mole of silver. So when you multiply across, you're going to end up with 2.083 times 10 to the 24 silver atoms. Guess what we're going to get for the second one? Let's look at the question. It's the same question, except now it's a compound, and it's even, starting with the same. So we start with 3.460 moles of our sodium sulfate, and we're trying to get to number of sodium sulfate compounds. Okay, let's see. Well, guess what? 1 mole of compounds is still 6.02 times 10 to the 23. So 6.02 times 10 to the 23 sodium sulfate compounds for every 1 mole of sodium sulfate. I mean, take a look. All of our units are canceling out in these equations. Hey, it's the same answer. 2.083 times 10 to the 24 sodium sulfate compounds. If you got the same number of moles of something, you got the same number of them. Doesn't matter whether it's atoms or compounds. There's no extra step for compounds.